Hey guys, this is my gal Eden. I was like, what the hell is on your hair? She goes, oh, well, we were swimming and can you see the green? And just wait, because I'm going to show you. Oh my God, it's aqua. Oh my God, guys, that is the algicide in the pool coming off her hair. If you put lightener on top of that, you are going to have a bad day, a real bad day. So we got all that crap off. Let's move on. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to balayage her with Oligo Pro and Olaplex. And I am going to give her like a beachy balayage. So I do paint this different than other kinds of balayages where I would do more ribbon-esque types of balayages, where you're going to see that one probably tomorrow because we were doing a different one in between while we were doing this one. And that one was more of a ribbon balayage where this is a beachy balayage. So I'm just going to keep it low and I am going to give her a beautiful money piece, but I'm going to keep it kind of like off of her scalp a bit because we want this to grow out beautifully. And we're just going to keep the sections really, really large because she's only going to get this done like once a year. And so we're just going to feather that up with a big deep weave on the top of the head. And we're going to trim her up, style it up. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Eden is ready for school. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Guys, don't forget the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.